Hi, this is Pamela of Pamela Quilts, and welcome to my sewing room. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the most recent Island Batik ambassador shipment I received. I'm going to make this quick, so I'm going to go pretty fast. I don't want to keep you too long, but I want to show you all the goodies I'm getting. First of all, from Studio 180 Designs, I got this fun Corner Pop 2 ruler. I'm super excited to play with that and see what I can make with it. It's really different, so I think my quilt will be unique with this one. The next thing I received was from Accuquilt. And I got this cool Tree of Life Bob die, and Bob stands for block on board, so you can cut all your pieces for the quilt in one pass, ideally, on the Go Cutter. So Accuquilt is a wonderful sponsor, and I've enjoyed using my Go Cutter, and I can't wait to try out this Bob and see what kind of Tree of Life design I can come up with. Now for the main box. Hobbs Batting is another one of our great suppliers, and they've included some nice batting. This is a king size cotton batting, and king size will get a lot of quilts if you don't make them large. Also, some fusible batting strips. The same heirloom cotton queen size batting. And a cotton wool blend, which is nice and soft. I like those for lap quilts. So, on to the fabric. I've got a strip pack of Be Kind, and this is just gorgeous colors, as you can see, and I got 2 different shades of blue to go with it. 6 yards of a neutral, and this is Batter. Half-yard bundle. This is gorgeous. This is Sunset Plains, designed by Kathy Engel. And just look at the beautiful colors in that one. I love it. Can't wait to work with this one. And to go with that, I have 2 2-yard pieces. One in this beautiful fuchsia color, and the other is this green and yellow and blue. So pretty. Two sets of stash builder rolls, and these are really fun. These have lots of different colors in them. So I'll be giving some of those away and using some of those in my projects. And I got a Batik foundation bundle, and just look at the pretty colors in that. Some really nice saturated colors this time. Those will be really interesting to use in my projects too. I love these half-yard bundles. They always pick good colors. And that's it for that box. I have another shipment on the way, which will have a surprise bundle that I can't show you yet. It'll also have black, white, and gray solids and another pre-cut. So I will add those on if I get them before my video posts, or I will show them in another video. So thanks for following along. Make sure you look for more projects to come from Island Batik, Hobbs Batting, Accuquilt, and who did I miss? Accuquilt and Studio 180 Designs. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.